Okay, so layout is one of the most important things about a tile job, because if get if you do a good layout, you're going to have nice pieces, nice big pieces. If you do a bad layout, you're going to have slivers all over the place. And some jobs are easy to lay out because it's simple. Others are a lot more complicated. For example, this one here, I have 4x12 tile, and she wants it in the 1/3 running bond. 1/3 running bond. Excuse my finger. 1/3 running bond is going to be like this, like that, and like that. So it's 1/3. So okay, so starting from the center here, that gives me, full tile, 2/3, 1/3, and then 2/3, 1/3, and full tile. So that's full tile. So that's the drop off from here. It can go over here. It's going to be a little bit less, but you won't really see it in the corner. Same in this corner here, and this dimension here, from there to there is the same as from there to there. So I'm going to get the same piece over here and over there. Now over here, so I'm just trying to get this level. It's going to give me a little piece down there, but it's only going to be every third one. So I don't want to compromise the whole layout, so I'll just live with that piece there. And then on this wall, I'll figure that out. I'll probably just continue to fold across there, or match it up over here. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. So that's that. And then on this here, I'm going to do half a bull nose, and then there's going to be a line in the center. And then, now height-wise, if I start from the floor, because this is going to be my floor tile, right here, this is going to be my floor tile. So if I go from the floor, start on a full tile on the floor, I'm going to get a sliver on the ceiling, and I get a sliver under here, and the piece on the bench would be decent, but I don't want a sliver on the ceiling, and I don't want a sliver over here. So if I start with a full tile on here and go down and cut the bottom, I get a decent piece on the bottom, I get a decent piece at the top, I get a decent piece there, and it just works out good. So that's what I'm going to do. So to figure out what my height is, just measure. You lay out some tiles, you measure from there to there, and in this case it's 41. And then once you know that that's 41, you can do multiples of 41. So you take measure on the floor, this is 41 here, that's another 41 there, so I know. And then I measure from there to the top, from this line here, from that line there to the top, and I know I'm going to get a sliver at the ceiling. So now I drop everything down a little bit, full tile, cut tile, it works out better. And that's a decent piece here. And under the curve, I'm going to have two pieces, but hey, what are you going to do? You can't get everywhere. So that's what my plan is for this shower. And once I get some tile up, you can see exactly what it was.